for the registration of partnership, we need to go to the register office to make the establishment of enterprise. Once there is establishment of partnership, then there is need for partnership deed where all the requirements and everything is written. And then we have in a partnership there is also guarantee to a partner is given through one or two partners or the firm. And then we have reconstruction and reconstitution. Reconstruction is on the basis of company or the profit and losses, and reconstitution is on the basis of partnership. And then we have this goodwill. There are types of goodwill. This is actually it is change in profit sharing ratio. So here is goodwill, that is self-generated and purchased goodwill. Self-generated is not shown in the balance sheet and purchase is shown in the balance sheet. Then we have reserves. Reserves are like kinds of accumulated profits and losses which are to be distributed among the partners, retiring partner or admitting partner. Then next step we have is admission. For admission, any partner is coming, we have to bring a premium for goodwill either in cash or through private loan. Then next we have is retirement and death. This is the basic model of retirement. When a partner is retiring, they have to take his goodwills and all the accumulated profit and losses with himself. Then we have here is death. In the death, a partner nominee is elected or selected. He has to be given all the accumulated profits and losses at the rights of death. Then here we have this dissolution. This is the last step of partnership. So it is like reasons for the dissolution are mutual agreement that if the motto of the partnership is completed through mutual agreement, they can dissolve their firm. And then next we have is compulsory division to the High Court. If it is illegal or some kind of fraud has happened, then through the High Court you can order to them, and then there is a resolution. The next is by notice. If High Court gives any notice to the partners to dissolve their firm, then it is dissolved. The next is loan settlement. Like at the time of resolution, various assets and liabilities needs to be settled through the loan account, that is from the bank, and after that there is no need of any assets and liabilities to be carried forward. The next is High Court. High Court is the same that any court is coming, any court is getting in order and it has to be resolved.